just installed a Cyclops P205 transponder immobilizer. It normally comes with these transponder tags, but what I've got is a chip I've programmed, and I'm going to insert this into the key here. Excuse my fumbling, I'm filming with one hand, so there's a bit of faffing. Fine, so we've got the transponder chip in the key now. Let's get the remote back together. And then you can see the immobilizers flashing. If I try and start the car now, the immobilizer goes out, the car starts. Happy days. And it's a lot cleaner than having this additional fob on your keyring. For more details on vehicle immobilizers, check out vehiclesecurity.co.nz.